On my observation, Department of Agriculture, bigay lang sila na bigay ng libre ng similya ng corn. Diba? Every year, for how many decades? Kasi siyempre, yung mahirap, yung binibigyan yung mahirap. Kung maghahanap sila ng mataniman, minsan sila magtatanim dun sa bundok. Diba? Kakainginin nila yung shrubs, mga forest, para taniman ng mais. Diba? Oh. So, yun yung cause ng desertation, flooding, diba? Oh, so, gobyerno yung cause ng disaster. Bukidnon is a very important province in Mindanao in terms of disaster. Bakit po? Because if we don't protect our forest, watersheds, it will affect Davao City, Cotabato, Cagayan de Oro City. Pag hindi nila tinulungan yung Bukidnon dito, disaster lahat ng cities sa Mindanao. Yan sinasabi parati. Kasi doon lahat ang source ng water.
Yeah.
So kaya nung umupo ako ng governor, hindi na ako nag-ano nung seeds ng mais. Ayoko na yung ng program na yun. Kasi it causes disaster. Diba? So, we find ways, naghanap kami ng ano yung maging sustainability, resilient na product na kapalit doon. Yeah. Kapalit doon. No? Kasi mayroong piling hindian kaagad sila, di ba? So yun, that's why gumawa kami ng study about coffee. That's why we made our own coffee roadmap in Bukidnon. Di ba? I think for each province is different. Hindi naman siya pareho. But all national programs are the same for the whole provinces, which is mali.
I'd like to support yung statement ni Gob, especially doon sa sinabi niya sa mga programa ng government. Very true po yun. Like for example sa amin, yung dinidistribute na corn. So, pag nagkaingin yan, ang tinatamaan pa nung kaingin sa amin yung coffee, and we are number one nagpo-produce ng kape dati eh. Second, doon sa sinasabi niya na yung one policy fits all, that's true. Sa amin sa Cordelia, we are watershed, mountainous kami, and we would like na to preserve our natural resources. So we should be treated differently.
To support also the statement of my fellow governors. Ako nga pala si Governor Miraflores from Aklan.
Maganda yung programa niya. Tinanong ko sa kanya kung magkano yung ginastos mo sa kape. 130 million pala last year. Congratulations.
Wow.
Tapos 250 next year. 255 next year. Ang galing. Surely, 5 years from now, makuha mo yung pangarap mo. Congratulations, Go. Maganda talaga.
And in the case naman of Bukidnon, the livelihood, environment nexus, ensuring that there is self-sufficiency, the dependency and potential patronage system that will be built about it can be addressed by investing in a good business investment that makes sense.